Welcome to the CSCS mock test. 50 questions. How many can you get right? Which of the following is a sign of excessive noise exposure on site? A. Cracked fingernails. B. Difficulty in understanding speech. C. Overheating machinery. Dust accumulation. The correct answer is B. Difficulty in understanding speech. What should be done if a worker is unsure about how to use their RPE? A. Guess and hope for the best. B. Ask a colleague for advice. C. Refer to the manual or seek guidance from a supervisor. D. Watch an online video tutorial. The correct answer is C. Refer to the manual or seek guidance from a supervisor. What is a typical consequence of omitting daily vehicle checklists? A. Decreased fuel efficiency. B. Increased risk of mechanical failure. C. Improved vehicle speed. D. Reduction in paperwork. The correct answer is B. Increased risk of mechanical failure. Which of the following is not a type of safety sign? A. Prohibition sign. B. Dangerous caution sign. D. Commercial advertisement. The correct answer is D. Commercial advertisement. What is the most effective control measure for managing respiratory risks? A. Personal protective equipment (PPE). B. Elimination of the hazard. C. Administrative controls. D. Substitution of materials. The correct answer is B. Elimination of the hazard. Under CDM Regulations 2015, what must designers do to manage foreseeable health and safety risks? A. Make significant design changes. B. Carry out regular site inspections. C. Eliminate risks during design where possible. D. Delegate responsibilities to contractors. The correct answer is C. Eliminate risks during design where possible. What must you do if you find equipment without a safety certification? A. Use it carefully. B. Report the equipment and do not use it. C. Use it only under supervision. D. Ignore the lack of certification if it's needed urgently. The correct answer is B. Report the equipment and do not use it. Which among the following is essential for the correct use of PPE? A. Knowing how to modify PPE for specific tasks. B. Understanding the limits of each PPE item. C. Using PPE without prior training. D. Selecting PPE based on fashion trends. The correct answer is B. Understanding the limits of each PPE item. Why might an employer provide rest facilities separate from changing facilities? A. To comply with fire safety regulations. B. To protect personal belongings. C. To ensure rest is undisturbed. D. Rest areas must be temperature controlled. The correct answer is C. To ensure rest is undisturbed. What role does a construction environmental management plan play? A. It obstructs sustainable practices. B. It outlines strategies for minimizing environmental impact. C. It increases project construction time. D. It enhances pollution levels. The correct answer is B. It outlines strategies for minimizing environmental impact. What color indicates a prohibition in safety signs? A. Red. C. Yellow. The correct answer is B. Red. In terms of fire safety, why must a site evacuation plan be prominently displayed? A. To improve worker morale. B. To serve as a training aid. C. To ensure everyone knows the evacuation routes and assembly points. D. To prevent accidents. The correct answer is C. To ensure everyone knows the evacuation routes and assembly points. What is the purpose of the A and B ABC? A. Address breathing circulation. B. Airway breathing circulation. C. Alert breathing compression. D. Assess breathing checking. The correct answer is B. Airway breathing circulation. Who is responsible for ensuring that noise exposure assessments are conducted in the workplace? A. The worker. B. The health and safety officer. C. The employer, the site engineer. The correct answer is C, the employer. What is the recommended reaction to encountering a warning sign? A. Ignore it if in a rush. B. Consider it only if familiar. C. Assess the hazard and adjust behavior accordingly. D. Request more information from the supervisor. The correct answer is C. Assess the hazard and adjust behavior accordingly. What could be a legal consequence of not reporting a reportable accident? A. A warning. B. A fine. C. Compulsory retraining. Verbal reprimand. The correct answer is B. A fine. What is the recommended way to protect the edges of an excavation? A. Use a warning sign. B. Install a barrier. C. Let people know verbally. D. Place cones around the edges. The correct answer is B. Install a barrier. What is the purpose of monitoring air quality during demolition work? A. To check for rain. B. To ensure outdoor temperatures stay stable. C. To detect the presence of hazardous dust and fumes. D. To control the wind direction. The correct answer is C. To detect the presence of hazardous dust and fumes. Which type of respiratory protection is recommended for environments with hazardous chemicals? A. Disposable masks only. B. Chemical cartridge respirator masks. D. Homemade cloth masks. The correct answer is B. Chemical cartridge respirator, or SCBA. Which organizational change can help reduce stress and improve mental health on site? A. More rigid policies. B. Flexible working arrangements. C. Increased mandatory, and D. Fewer breaks. The correct answer is B. Flexible working arrangements. If you see a health and safety law being violated, what should you do? A. Ignore it if it doesn't affect you. B. Report it to your supervisor or safety officer. C. Confront the person responsible. D. Call the police. The correct answer is B. Report it to your supervisor or safety officer. Which type of sign would be used to alert workers of a chemical hazard? Prohibition sign, warning sign, C. Mandatory sign, D. Condition sign. The correct answer is B. Warning sign. What should you do if there is a chemical burn? A. Apply a wet compress. B. Wash the affected area with plenty of water for at least 20 minutes. C. Apply ice directly to the burn. D. Cover with a dry bandage immediately. The correct answer is B. Wash the affected area with plenty of water for at least 20 minutes. What is the key consideration when using personal fall protection equipment? A. It should be less than a year old. B. It should be comfortable. C. It should be suitable for the task and checked regularly. D. It should be the latest model. The correct answer is C. It should be suitable for the task and checked regularly. What precaution must be taken when transporting hazardous substances? A. Ensure the substance is in an unmarked container. B. Transport in any vehicle available. C. Use appropriate containers and follow transport regulations. D. Transport only at night. The correct answer is C. Use appropriate containers and follow transport regulations. What is a key feature of mobile elevated work platforms? A. They must always be used indoors. B. They are fixed in one place during use. C. They allow safe access to heights. D. They require no training to operate. The correct answer is C. They allow safe access to heights. What is a potential early warning sign of hand-arm vibration syndrome? A. Pale fingers. B. Frequent cough. D. Dry skin. The correct answer is A. Pale fingers. What color are the helmets typically worn by supervisors on a highway site? A. Red, white, green. The correct answer is C. White. Why is the use of gas-powered tools a fire risk? A. They are more efficient. B. They emit less noise. C. They can produce sparks or heat. They are faster to operate. The correct answer is C. They can produce sparks or heat. What should you do if you are the first person at the scene of an accident? A. Immediately move casualties to a safer area. B. Stay with the casualty and call for help. C. Provide first aid even if you are not trained. D. Leave the scene to get professional medical help. The correct answer is B. Stay with the casualty and call for help. If an electrical appliance catches fire, what should be your first action? A. Throw water on it. B. Turn off the power supply. C. Ignore until it extinguishes. D. Use foam extinguisher. The correct answer is B. Turn off the power supply. What is a benefit of effective negotiation skills for construction leaders? A. Eliminates the need for project planning. B. Ensures better terms and outcomes in contracts and partnerships. C. Increases project costs. D. Reduces the leader's credibility. The correct answer is B. Ensures better terms and outcomes in contracts and partnerships. Under COSHH, what should employers do if they identify inadequacies in current control measures? A. Report it to local authorities. B. Wait until the next scheduled review. Take immediate steps to improve the control measures. D. Ignore them and focus on production targets. The correct answer is C. Take immediate steps to improve the control measures. What should a construction manager do if an employee consistently violates safety regulations? A. Ignore the behavior. B. Immediately terminate the employee. C. Provide additional training and document the behavior. D. Report the employee to health and safety authorities. The correct answer is C. Provide additional training and document the behavior. Why is it necessary to keep escape routes unobstructed? To allow for equipment movement. B. For aesthetic purposes. C. To ensure quick evacuation during an emergency. D. To reduce dust accumulation. The correct answer is C. To ensure quick evacuation during an emergency. What should be done if a worker is exposed to hazardous substances? A. Notify the site manager and get first aid immediately. B. Continue working and report it at the end of the shift. C. Wash the area with water and continue working. D. Ignore it unless symptoms persist. The correct answer is A. Notify the site manager and get first aid immediately. What is a key duty of the principal contractor concerning site signage under CDM Regulations 2015? To advertise the company. B. To provide directions to the site. C. To ensure safety signs are clear and informative. D. To display project timelines. The correct answer is C. To ensure safety signs are clear and informative. Why is it important to avoid over-excavating near trench shoring? A. To save time. B. To prevent equipment wear. C. To maintain the integrity of the shoring. D. To keep soil moist. The correct answer is C. To maintain the integrity of the shoring. Under CDM Regulations 2015, who is responsible for ensuring a construction project's health and safety duties are met on larger sites? A. The principal designer. B. The principal contractor. C. The client. D. The contractor. The correct answer is B. The principal contractor. What is the most important factor in determining the need for shoring in a trench? A. The width of the trench. B. The depth and soil type of the trench. C. The color of the mud. D. The tools used. The correct answer is B. The depth and soil type of the trench. What is an effective way to reduce manual handling injuries? A. Increase the speed of handling. Reduce the frequency of tasks. Ensure regular breaks. D. Engage in regular strength training. The correct answer is C. Ensure regular breaks. What is the ideal location for first aid kits on a large construction site? A. At main entrances and exits. B. Strategically located near high-risk areas. C. Only in the site office. The correct answer is B. Strategically located near high-risk areas. Under CDM Regulations 2015, what should the client provide to the principal designer and principal contractor? A. Design specifications. B. Financial incentives. C. Pre-construction information. D. Daily reports. The correct answer is C. Pre-construction information. Which of the following is a control measure for reducing health risks from hazardous substances? A. Using equipment designed for speed. B. Implementing local exhaust ventilation. C. Wearing a high-visibility vest. D. Increasing work shifts. The correct answer is B. Implementing local exhaust ventilation. Why is it essential for construction leaders to cultivate a collaborative environment? A. To minimize communication. B. To centralize decision-making. C. To enhance problem-solving and innovation. D. To reduce worker autonomy. The correct answer is C. To enhance problem-solving and innovation. Which factor is least important when considering the selection of PPE? A. Suitability for intended use. Cost of the PPE. C. Durability against environmental factors. D. Comfort for the user. The correct answer is B. Cost of the PPE. Why should showers be provided on larger construction sites? To encourage workers to work longer hours. B. To ensure workers maintain personal hygiene. C. To reduce the buildup of dust on clothing. D. To meet union requirements. The correct answer is B. To ensure workers maintain personal hygiene. What is the standard voltage for handheld power tools used on UK construction sites? A. 240 volts, B. 110 volts, C. 400 volts, D. 12 volts. The correct answer is B. 110 volts. How does installing energy-efficient machinery impact the environment? A. It increases energy consumption. B. It reduces energy consumption and emissions. C. It has no impact on the environment. D. It increases operational noise. The correct answer is B. It reduces energy consumption and emissions. What is a major impact of construction noise on the environment? A. It accelerates construction completion. B. It improves local biodiversity. C. It causes disturbance to local wildlife and human populations. D. It enhances communication among site workers. The correct answer is C. It causes disturbance to local wildlife and human populations. Get exam ready free at csmocktest.uk.